This is an exciting day for me, no doubt, but the only guy here it's more exciting for is Tom. I got the car warmed up and running, I got it up to operating temperature, and it's time to cut Tom loose and let him go have some fun. I'm not a huge fan of doing the big burnouts. I mean, I got all that out of my system as a kid, and I'm a little bit cautious when it comes to a new motor, but it's Tom's car. Tom wanted to do it, and what better way to break one in than to throw a couple 100 feet of cloud in the air. Absolutely proud of the way the car turned out. Couldn't be more proud. This is a moment for me. Again, I don't get a lot of them. We're not putting out 100 cars a day here. So when one's done like this, I stand back and I relish in the idea that while we fought, while we had a hard time getting it to where it needs to be, it is there. So does all the rest of it really matter? We've got a 1969 Charger Daytona on the road for the first time in 30 plus years, looking exactly the way it did, or possibly a little bit better than it did on the assembly line in 1969. That's a win across the board. Okay, stop there. I'm gonna get out and guide you. The Daytona is done. It's an amazing car.
The ride was freaking awesome.
I never forget the fact that I'm blessed to be able to work on the cars that I grew up loving. And to me, it's nothing more rewarding than to put a customer back with this car, marry the two dreams together, send them on their way. Did you love it?
Absolutely. Can't wait to get it home.
It's a beautiful car.
I probably said it before, but I couldn't think, other than my dad, someone that more deserved to take that first ride with me than Mark. It's a work of art on wheels. This all started out, you know, when I was a little kid. I had this dream. I saw a Superbird, big wing. My dad filled my childhood dream of having that Pinewood Derby car with the wing and the nose cone on it.
Yeah.
And now I'm a grown man, some would say. And
Anatomically.
I have to thank you for fulfilling this dream of making this happen. So with sincerely, all jokes aside,
Okay.
thank
You're
you
welcome,
very,
man.
very much.
It's been fun.
It was hard to believe that, okay, this is my car.
I look at the finished product and say, we just brought a dead car that some people may have written off already or would have written off in the future. We brought it back to life. So that car is now on the road, putting smiles on people's faces and reminding a lot of people who grew up during that era of some great memories.
I can't wait to tear up the streets in that car, as I mentioned before, so I would like to apologize in advance to all the law enforcement officials that I know.
I gotta go.
Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, man. Nothing makes me happier to send somebody away than Tom.
Oh, you mean, should we get the moonwalk?
Wow. I could do that, but I have a bad foot.
Oh, okay.
See ya.
See ya.
All right. Tommy's gone and there's gonna be a party. Hey, no, hey, no. Tommy's gone.